Namaste and welcome back to Indo-Pulse. Over the last 48 hours, a shocking headline has taken the internet by storm.
It sounds like a movie plot, doesn't it? Memes of Ayatollah Trump are everywhere, but behind the jokes lies a much more serious and dangerous psychological war.
Did Iran really make this offer?
Or is President Trump playing a high-stakes game of narrative warfare to destabilize the Iranian leadership from within? Today, we're separating fact from fiction and looking at the new frontline of this conflict, the strategic Kharg island.
Let's dive deep.
To understand what's happening, we have to look at Trump's latest tactics. In a leaked conversation, Trump claimed that the CIA told him Iran's new supreme leader is gay. Now, why would he say this?
Iran is one of the few countries where homosexuality is a capital offense,
Often resulting in the death penalty. By planting this seed, Trump isn't just insulting a leader. He is conducting narrative warfare. He's trying to create internal distrust within the Iranian military and the hardliners.
He wants the Iranian generals to look at their leader and see weakness. If the people or the military lose faith in the sanctity of their supreme leader, the entire regime could face a coup.
It's a classic move to trigger an internal power struggle without firing a single shot.
So, about the job offer, Trump didn't actually say Iran asked him to lead. In reality, he was mocking the current state of fear in Tehran.
He claimed that the position of supreme leader has become so dangerous, essentially a bullseye for US drones,
That nobody in Iran wants the job.
He joked that whenever the leadership approaches someone to take over, the response is, "No thank you. I don't want to be the next target." Trump's goal here is simple: project an image of a terrified, crumbling leadership.
Where the top office is seen as a death sentence.
By saying, "I don't want your job," he is positioning himself as the one in total control of the narrative.
But while the words are flying, the ships are moving. The real strategic battle is centering on Kharg Island. If you look at the map, this small island
Is Iran's economic lifeline, holding a massive portion of their oil reserves. There are growing reports that the US might attempt an island assault to seize Kharg. Losing this would be a knockout blow to Iran's economy.
In response, Iran is launching its own psychological counter-offensive.
They are warning that any attempt to take the island will result in the capture of US troops. They want the American public to fear another hostage crisis, hoping it will force Trump to the negotiating table.
For war reparations and a non-aggression pact.
It's a game of chess where both sides are trying to win before the first boots hit the sand.
Inside Iran, the pressure is boiling over.
Hardliners are now openly regretting that they didn't build a nuclear bomb sooner. They point to North Korea, arguing that Kim Jong-un is safe from US invasion only because he has the nuclear shield. The fear now is a nuclear dash if Iran feels that Kharg Island is about to fall.
Or that the regime is collapsing. They might accelerate their program to become the world's 11th nuclear power overnight.
This now or never mentality is what makes the current 27th day of this war the most dangerous yet.
With the US preparing to deploy uncrewed drone boats for the first time in combat,
We are entering an era of automated warfare that the world isn't prepared for.
the war between the US and Iran has moved beyond missiles.
It's now a war of minds, memes, and massive economic stakes.
As we see more drone boats enter the Strait of Hormuz, the question is, can diplomacy survive this level of psychological pressure? What do you think? Is Trump's narrative warfare a brilliant strategy to avoid a full-scale invasion?
Or is it pushing Iran into a corner where their only option is the nuclear button?
Share your analysis in the comments below. Stay informed, stay strategic.
This is Indo-Pulse.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next update. Ciao Hind.